How to get pollinated plants fast and grow a garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we're going to discuss about getting the pollinated plants fast and grow a garden on Roblox. So in order to do that, you need to focus on weather, care, and your garden layout. And here's how you can do that. First of all, you can use the weather for mutations. So weather affects mutations. If there's rainstorms, crops have 50% chance to get the great mutation, doubling their value. And if there are thunderstorms, lightning can cause this shocked mutation, increasing the crop value up to 50 times. So watch the weather and plant or harvest accordingly to maximize the mutations. Also invest in better sprinklers. Care improves the mutation chances. So if you're using advanced sprinklers, it increases the chance of gold and rainbow mutations. And if you're using godly sprinklers, it gives even better chances for rare mutations. So place the sprinklers near the value crops for the best results, and also use the mutation boosting pets where some pets increase the mutation rates. If you're using dragonfly, it turns the crops into golden variants, and if you're using praying mantis, it increases the mutation chances for nearby crops. Keep these pets in your garden to passively boost mutations, and crops that can be harvested multiple times increase the mutation chances. So plant multi-harvest crops. For example, blueberries, tomatoes, corn. So these crops offer more mutation opportunities over time, increasing the profits. Also, don't forget to check the Care Shop often. The Care Shop updates every 5 minutes with mutation enhancing tools, so the advanced sprinklers are sometimes available for purchase. So stay near the shop and check often to buy these items when they appear. So that's all for this video. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.